Hey crew, today I'm going to show you guys how to get the game BeamNG Drive for iOS and Android. So let me just show you guys. As you can see, I can play the full game. So I'm going to show you exactly to download it onto your device. So if you guys were ever interested in BeamNG Drive for iOS and Android, I'm going to show you guys how to play so you can actually enjoy this, and it's very fun. So let me show you guys how to download it together. So the first step is going to be going into the browser. And what we need to do is open a new tab, and we need to type tweakmod.com. So into the search bar, we're going to type car. We'll just type it in right here. So Beam, I think it's on here, BeamNG Drive. Go ahead and press install. And before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Just download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see, and we should have BeamNG Drive on our phone. So yeah, I don't really do videos like this anymore, but I had to share this one because a lot of people were asking me if it was possible to play BeamNG Drive. So yeah, it is. So yeah, it's super cool. So let me just show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it's loading right now. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 10. It's a game, so I could do that. Underdog Fantasy is down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. Scanner app, yeah, search something up. So just do 2 of them, guys. You'll have BeamNG Drive on your phone. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to play BeamNG Drive for iOS and Android. It's really insane, and it actually works, guys. So I hope you guys found it useful. I'm going to see you in another video, but subscribe to the channel, guys, and peace out. It's very nice to do.